Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court seeks response from Delhi government and police on a plea for filing FIR against Anurag Thakur and Parvesh Verma in hate speech case. TMC leader Saket Gokhale granted bail by Supreme Court in the crowdfunding scam case. Supreme Court refuses to halt Delhi Metro Phase 4 construction, citing escalation of costs. Supreme Court commences suo motu proceedings in the delayed pension to Bombay High Court registry staff case. Varanasi district judge to decide whether several petitions related to Gyanvapi be consolidated and heard together. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Supreme Court sought the response of the Delhi government and the Delhi Police Commissioner on a plea filed by Communist Party of India Marxist leader Brinda Karat against BJP leaders Anurag Thakur and Parvesh Verma for alleged hate speeches by the two leaders made in 2020 during the ongoing protests in the national capital opposing the Citizenship Amendment Act that made way for Hindus living in Muslim nations and facing atrocities to seek refuge in India. Anurag Thakur had at an event said that देश के गद्दारों को गोली मारो सालों को. The petition by Karat was then filed for registration of FIR, but was rejected by the Delhi High Court in June 2022. And so the present appeal has been filed at the Apex Court. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and Vikram Nath granted bail to TMC spokesperson Saket Gokhale in the matter of misappropriation of funds obtained by way of crowdfunding. Gokhale was earlier denied bail by the Gujarat High Court, as the court noted that there was a prima facie case made out against him, and he has been in jail for 108 days before the Apex Court allowed his bail application. He argued that he is a victim of political vendetta due to his views expressed on social media against the Prime Minister on his visit to the Morbi Bridge that had collapsed in October last year. The Supreme Court bench comprising Justices B.R. Gavai and Vikram Nath refused to halt the construction of Delhi Metro Phase 4, stating that the interference would result in huge escalation of costs. The court further stated that there was no doubt that concern for environment is an important aspect. However, developmental works like metro cater to billions of people and reduce carbon emissions on the roads. Also, there is a provision of planting uprooted trees. Weighing the pros and cons, the top court rejected the plea to halt construction work, but asked the DMRC to be careful with regards environmental damage while planning future phases. The Supreme Court commenced the suo motu proceedings to look into the matter of delayed pensions to the Bombay High Court registry staff, after the former employees wrote a letter to the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, alleging they had not received pensionary benefits even after 3 to 7 years of retirement. The former staff claimed that one of the employees had committed suicide due to mental stress for not receiving pension. The matter is being heard by the CJI himself, along with Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala. The District Judge of Varanasi, Ajay Krishna Vishweshwa, is to hear a batch of petitions filed in the Gyanvapi dispute and to decide whether the 7 pending petitions be consolidated and tried together. The court referred to Section 4A of the Uttar Pradesh Amendment to the Civil Procedure Code and observed that the court can take a decision for consolidating suits and order a joint trial after their transfer to the district judge. Of the 7 cases, 6 are pending in the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division, while 1 is pending with the Fast Track Court of the Civil Judge Senior Division. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.